Time to do some wrenching. Okay, I got a problem with the heater fan. I only have one speed, high, and all the other speeds don't work. So it leads me to believe that the resistor on it is shot. Resistor on this truck is located under the hood. Yours might be under the dash. Let's go under there and replace it. Okay, to get that blower resistor out, you got to take this cruise control switch module. Anyways, take this plug off. It's wiring. That can't be good. And put that to the side. I won't give you much room in there to get at it. This comes out a funky way too. Let's see. Alright, just put that to the side. And yeah, this little screws, I'll show you what it looks like down there. Okay, it's right down here. I'll point the screwdriver at it. This thing right here. That's going to be hard to get at. It's going to be hard to show you on camera, but this is where it is. There's not much room in there to get my hand, so it's going to be hard. Yeah, upon further inspection here, it looks like I'm going to have to take this overflow tank and the washer fluid tank out. There's only 4 bolts holding it, because I'm not going to be able to get my hand in there to get it out. So there's just four bolts holding it, so that should come right out. Okay, to make this a little easier, I gotta get this intake out of here. Intake I could probably do this without, taking this off, but for the sake of the video, and be easier for you to see if I get this out of here, I'd have to snake it in. I could probably get a swivel socket in there and get it, but we'll do it this way. It won't be much harder. Okay, easy. Now I gotta unhook this radiator overflow, and I got a bucket down there already. I'll just put this okay, and then I'll let that drain down there, and then I'll start with this. I hope that one got it. Okay, I got a bolt down here, a nut to take off. And there's one on the side here, and there's another one over here, right here on the side. There's one down here. Let's see, down there. And you gotta unhook this. This is the motor for the washer fluid. And I gotta unhook this line. Goes to the squirter there. Squirts up there on the windshield. Yeah. And then you can pull that out. Okay, I believe this takes a 11 down here, 11 millimeter. Bit of an angle here. Okay, there's one nut. Take this hose off. Okay. Okay. Get this other one. Okay, the whole thing's turning. You gotta figure that out. Yeah, I think this one's stripped out. I think that's stripped. I'm gonna see what happens. I'll take the other ones off. Get these side ones off. One. Okay, there's the other one. Okay, there it is. All right. Hey, I found the tool. I lost this a while ago. Huh. Cool. Alright. By the way, this is an 8mm socket. These here were 11s down here, and the ones on the side were 10s. Millimeter sockets. I'll put a description down below anyways. Okay. Get my little magnet out to get that one. I don't want to lose it. There you go. Okay. Alright. That don't look bad. But don't look too bad. Compare them. The new one. These clips are really on here. I don't want to break them, but slowly work it off. There, finally. Oh, these clips are tough. Okay, let's compare these guys. Okay. So you can see these. Yeah, this is the new one on the right. Does look, this looks a little dirty, a little rusty, but not bad. Maybe the little resistor on it went. I don't know. I guess they get condensation in there and moisture or whatever, and it makes them go bad. Well, I'll put it in and then we'll see what happens. Okay, plug it back in. And we'll use the magnet here to hold it in. Hard to see in there to get at it. I think I got it this time. Okay, I got it. Just tighten this one up. Okay, and now I just got to put it back together. No problem. But first, let's check it out and see if it works. Okay, we'll try it out, see if it works. Put the key on. Yep. Yeah, I got all the speeds now. That's what it was. Alright, cool. Yeah, just got to put it back together again, and that's it. Okay, we'll go this here. Put this baby back in. That goes around. Goes around here, plugs in. That goes in there. Okay. Put these side ones in first. Let me get this other one started. Just get them all started, and I'll tighten down. Okay. That. This one. Tricky one. Starting it with this magnet, I don't know, maybe it's easier. Yeah, I think I got it. I'll get it with a wrench. Let's see. Yeah, let's pick this one off. Okay, it's all tight. Plug this baby back in here. Oh, I'm gonna spray it with this. It's a good idea to spray some of this electrical cleaner on the connectors. They look a little, I don't know, they got like a little white stuff on them. Won't hurt. Okay. There. I'm going to do the same to these. Okay. Now we got, put this on. And let's see. Tighten this up. It's basically just got to be snug here. Okay, plug this in. And this is for the mass airflow sensor. Use a breather. There. And put this in. That's it for that. Good here. All good. Plug this in. It's all good. Okay, just put the overflow fluid back in. I drained that I caught with this bucket. Oh, before I do that, I gotta hook this hose back up. It slides in here and it hooks up right here to the cap. It goes down there. That's it. Okay. Just put this back in. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so on the Fords, that's where, at least on this one, that's where the resistor is. I could have probably got it without taking this off, you know, if I snuck a swivel socket in there, but you wouldn't have seen it with the camera and stuff, so I figured in the video, so I figured I'd do it this way. This wasn't much work anyways. Neither was this. This is a couple minutes, that's it. So if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the notification bell.